Hello friends, welcome back to Gayatri's Glimpses. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step through the semester registration process on the SLCM site of Kerala University. Let's get started. Step 1, Accessing the SLCM site. First, open any search engine on your device and search for SLCM Kerala University. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Step 2, Logging in. Once the site opens, you'll see a login page like this. Enter your username, which is your candidate code. Type your password. Enter the CAPTCHA code as shown. Click on Login. Step 3, Accessing semester registration. After logging in, you'll see your profile page. Click on the three lines in the top left. A sidebar will open, select semester registration. Then, click on Manage Semester Registration. Step 4, Registering for the semester. A new window will appear. Click on the three dots under the Action column. Select Register Now. A list of your course papers will appear. Tick the checkboxes for the subjects you're registering for. If you require a scribe, check the corresponding option, otherwise, leave it unchecked. Finally, click Register to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your semester registration. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Grow.Glow with Gayatri. Also, feel free to comment below if you have any doubts. Grow, Glow with Gayatri.